By 2030, the global technology race may enter a completely new era.
America remains one of the world's most influential technological powers. The United States continues investing billions of dollars into artificial intelligence and advanced innovation. Many experts believe technological leadership will define global influence. Meanwhile, China continues expanding rapidly across multiple technology sectors. Massive manufacturing capacity accelerates innovation at an extraordinary pace. Artificial intelligence becomes one of China's strongest strategic investments. Smart infrastructure continues transforming everyday life. Advanced semiconductor production becomes increasingly competitive. Competition grows more intense as technological breakthroughs accelerate. Nations compete across artificial intelligence, robotics, aerospace, and advanced manufacture. American politicians debate how to strengthen long-term innovation.
The technology race becomes one of the defining stories of the decade.
China continues expanding research into next-generation technologies. Innovation remains strong across America's private technology sector. Global collaboration also shapes the future of scientific discovery. Technology leadership influences economic growth and global competitiveness. The outcome will depend on investment, education, research, and international cooperation. The next decade may redefine how nations compete through innovation. Who will lead the technological future? Only time and continued innovation will provide the answer.